Guys, we're here at the Lady of Sacred Heart Parish. I just attended, the my first ever mass for, live mass. So, after almost half a year, guys, of what, because of the quarantine. So yes, I'm actually here. So here are some changes that I've noticed. So here's an excerpt of what I witnessed inside the new normal of going to a mass. Watch. Guys, thank you so much for watching. But basically what I noticed is one, they're really strict when it comes to social distancing. So they have markings, I think, per row. Normally we just fill it. Now it's just around 3 people per row. And everyone's wearing masks and shields. There's temperature checks. There's hand sanitizers. And there's actually a sanitation ministry assigned to really make sure that people will be observing all the rules, social distancing, and also on making sure that it's not going to be risky for everyone. Although it was a tough circumstance why we're here. Actually, we're here for like a farewell mass of someone, a relative who died, and it's quite difficult. But yes, it's different now with the peace be with you. No more hugging, no more kissing, no more. But still, it's better than just watching online, I guess. And for me, it's a memorable experience. And I hope that everything will be regularized again, and hope that we can go to mass freely. But I think most of the churches now are opening up. So if you have time to visit the church and pray, I think you can do that now. Please do. So yes, there are changes, but I think we need a lot of faith to really bounce back from all of this, and to really rise up stronger to a better normal. And I guess the pandemic is a reminder of us that there are things that are more important than money and fame, I guess. And you should know that, yes, faith is really important, and hopefully, yes, we can go all back to our faith, and with the help of God, I think we can overcome anything. So thank you so much for watching, guys. The short video about my first ever mass in the new normal. So thank you so much for watching, and see you sa next na videos. So this is not related mostly in my trips, but it's a big thing for me as well. So I hope you guys can, go to mass soon as well. So bye, guys, and thank you so much for watching.